Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something special. I think every web developer should know. Our topic today is font stacks in CSS. What they are, how they work, how you can use them professionally. In today's video we will try to find out all this. Let's move on to today's topic. What are font stacks in CSS and how to use it professionally? Don't worry, we shall make it super easy, even if you are just a beginner. Alright, so imagine this, you are building a website, and you want it to look awesome. You choose a cool font, but what if the user's device does not have that font? When we get stuck in this situation, we use font stacks. A font stack is just a list of fonts. You tell the browser to use fonts whatever you want. If the first font is not available, it tries the next one and the next until it finds one that works. In CSS, it looks like this. Let's break it down to understand more clearly. System UI, it is default system font, whatever your device usually uses. Apple system, this font is for Apple devices like Macs and iPhones. Sego UI, it is for Windows computers. Roboto, this is for Android devices. Arial, this is a classic web-safe font. Sans-serif, this font is the ultimate backup when all fails, it comes. Let's see why we need to use multiple fonts. If one font is not available, you have got others. Your site looks similar on all the platforms, like Windows, Mac, and phones. Some fonts like Apple Color Emoji help your emojis show up properly. So you are not just choosing a font, you are building a team of fonts that work together. As I suggest, if you are designing a website, keep things simple. If you need emojis to work, write multiple fonts like this. You can customize your font stack based on what your site needs. Always end your stack with a generic font like serif or sans-serif. Please do not go crazy adding 50 fonts, it slows things down. Test your web page, how it looks on different devices. If your site has emojis or symbols, add emoji fonts. So guys, that is font stacks in CSS. I tried to make things simple. If you learned something new, press the like button. Subscribe for more easy web developer tutorials. If you want to ask questions, hit me up in the comments. Goodbye, happy coding.